This na the Tecno POP 5P when Tecno just released. The phone dey run on 5000 mAh LiPo battery with 2GB RAM. Actually, this POP 5P na big improvement to the last phone when Tecno released POP 5. For this video, we go take our time to unbox and review the phone, and then I go tell you whether this phone na phone when you fit really spend your money on. If you never already subscribed to this channel, na the right time be this. Subscribe now, like this video, and as always, your comments go motivate me. Lastly, no forget to share am too. About 1 month ago, when I do the review of the POP 5, I get feedback say I not show or display the phone and the way the phone dey function reach. So for this video and future ones, I go spend more time to review the phone and explain their features. The design of the packaging box dey the same with the packaging box of the other phone when dey the POP family. Inside the box, you go see the phone first. The quick specifications na the 6.52-inch HD Plus dot notch display, 5000 mAh battery, 32GB ROM with 2GB RAM, face unlock, fingerprint sensor, and 8MP front camera with flash. The POP 5 when Tecno previously released get 1GB ROM and the battery capacity na 4000 mAh. Many users complain about am well just few days after they buy am. I guess na im make Tecno release this one. In case you wan watch the POP 5 review, the link dey bottom of this video for the description. The next thing inside the box na the charger. Na black color and the legs na 2 pins. I dey expect say the color go be white because most of their chargers dey come in white colors. Then we get the USB cable, na still black color like the the charger. The next thing na the earpiece. Maybe Tecno for just make am black since both the charger and the USB cable na black. After the earpiece, na the transparent pouch you go see, and the last thing inside the box na the screen guard. The body of the phone heavy small. Maybe na because the battery na 5000 mAh. The body of the phone na plastic, and if you look the screen, na IPS LCD e dey use. You no fit operate am with one hand. The body no slim the way modern phones suppose slim. E dey 9.1mm slim. Although the POP 5P na improved version of the POP 5, the display of the phone no cover the entire screen as I be dey expect. Maybe Tecno for fit extend the display near the edge of the screen more. For front of the phone, you go see the front camera for the top. The earpiece near am too. E still get flashlight when you fit use as torch and take selfie for dark place. The top corner of the phone carry the earpiece jack. For the right side, na the volume button and the power button dey there. The bottom of the phone gets the microphone hole and the charging port. For the back of the phone, you go see the 2 camera with flashlight. Then the fingerprint sensor dey the middle. The speaker dey bottom, and the last thing for the back na the Tecno POP branding. If you notice, the SIM card and the memory card place no dey any corner of the phone. This phone SIM card house dey back of the phone. To see am, you go need to remove the back cover first. As I on the phone come do the initial setup, I see myself for the home screen. The phone no too fast. If you touch something, e dey respond with small delay. The quick settings get normal icons when Android 11 phone suppose get. Dem include the nearby share and the focus mode. Unlike most Android 11 phones when they get the theft alert security feature, this phone no carry am. As for the phone information for the setting, e dey confirmed say the phone dey run on Android 11 and HiOS version of 7.6. The CPU na 1.3 GHz quad core with screen resolution of 720 by 1600 pixel. The security of the phone na the face unlock, fingerprint sensor, pattern lock, and password lock. E dey support 3G network, but e no dey use 4G. Since this phone na upgrade from the previous version, we suppose expect am to get 4G network. To me, this one dey very much unacceptable. The sensors wey e dey support na the G sensor, ambient light sensor, and the depth sensor. The downside of this phone to me na the 4G network when e no dey support. For person wey no fit wait for phone to respond in 0.00 seconds, this phone takes style slow. Then to think of say the SIM and the memory card no be that type when they use spin and tray, e only add to the list of the problem. The good side of the phone na the Android version 11 when e dey run on. The 5000 mAh battery no bad too, e go last. My best point na the FM radio of the phone. E dey work without the earpiece. Anytime when you wan listen to FM, you no go need to plug the earpiece for FM to turn on.
Running water regularly and use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer in the absence of running water and soap. Avoid crowded places and observe social.
Even some of the Tecno latest phones like Spark Go 2021 no dey use this feature. The sound recorder when follow the phone come dey normal like most other Android phones home. The music app when follow and come as expected na Boomplay and the version na 5.8. To dey straightforward, the camera dey rather disappointing. Na 5 megapixel camera dey the back. I think Tecno no get the camera for mind when they design this phone. 5 megapixel camera for Android 11 phone for this 2021. I dey sure say na the worst Android camera phone when they release this year be this. Come to think of am, most other Android phones dey use 13 megapixel cameras for back, and even with that one, I sometimes dey complain say no clear reach. How much more na call just 5 megapixel? The gap big, and I no expect this one from Tecno. The front camera dey try pass the back camera, na 8 megapixel. Still, I no dey happy with the two cameras. Normally, my problem with Tecno phone camera na the zooming. If you zoom, the picture go lose too much quality. But this phone, even without zooming, the pictures no go still clear as person go expect. See the official price of the phone for the screen. If you need help to buy this phone, we get am available. You fit contact us and we go do justice to you. So I go match break for here now, but before I go, I beg, subscribe and like this video. Remember to share am with your friends too, if you like am.